I know I like me some food. What's going on here? Got the chicken breast. I'm sorry.
Sakit.
Mais um cozinhando na floresta. Frango de novo.
Yeay, masak-masak time. Oh wow. Oh, yeah baby. Oh, aduh kaget banget ya.
Un cane, del pollo, un coltello, dell'olio, una figura retorica. Che cazzo di video sono finita?
Oh, perrito. Me relaja los dedos así. Ok, abre la fe. Ok. Vaya manera de abrir. ¡Ah! Oh my god.
I love puppies and cooking. Not together. Don't cook your dog. God, that didn't sound good, but oh, I'm fine. I'm fine. Yeah, I'm gonna call him.
Oh wow, cooking video. This is one of my favorite things to do when I go to bed. Chicken. Alright. What's going on here? Oh fuck, I can't watch anymore.
Hey, reaction video masak. Dada ayam dipotong.
Di hutan, masak apa nih? Kalau yang belah.
Saatnya masak, udah ada ayam dipotong.
Apa ini? Oh, masak ikan. Dibelah, kasih minyak,
Has anyone else just been watching this over and over again just because it's the only action that they're getting right now? Oh, stop it. Here it comes, here it comes. Oh, so nice. Forest and chicken. That was dog. Ow.
Reaction video masak. Dada ayam dipotong. Habis itu dikasih
halo anjing. Dada ayam dibelah dua, kasih minyak. Ya. Aduh dibengek.
So he cooking the jungle, chicken breast, cutting in the middle.